Welcome back. She's been baking cookies, cakes, and pastries in St. Louis for decades. Now she's passing on some of her secrets.
Steve Harris introduces us to the 82-year-old baker turned book writer, making St. Louis proud.
At Tony's restaurant in Clayton, 4 flights of stairs will take you down to the workshop of one Helen Fletcher. And her heavenly creations you can almost smell through your screen.
Put this on that thing behind you.
At 82, Helen learned her craft from her mother and grandmother.
It was only after I got married and we started entertaining that I thought, now how are we going to entertain if I can't cook or if I can't bake? So I went back to my grandmother and mother, and they were more than happy to show me some things.
She owned a bakery for nearly 25 years.
And it was a wholesale bakery. It serviced hotels, restaurants, and caterers.
One of her business connections was Tony's.
And then after I closed the bakery, I taught for about 1.5 years, and then I came to work for them.
Here she has her own little basement bakery where she makes magic. Helen wanted to bring her love of baking to the people. So, fortunately for us, she added author to her resume. It melts in your mouth. Writing a popular blog and several cookbooks packed with pictures.
I think we're more visual now than ever before because it's everywhere. Everywhere you look, it's visual. And so I teach visually.
This is her latest, Craving Cookies.
It's really important to me to share what I know and to make people happy. I'm a real people person, and I like to make people happy.
And with no plans of slowing down, Helen will continue the sweet task of making these and imparting her wisdom to would-be bakers.
Because you have to remember, you can screw up a meal, but if you give them a really good dessert at the end, they're going to be happy.
Words to live and eat by. Steve Harris, News 4.